Let's talk some money, folks. If you are living with poor credit, chances are you are paying higher interest rates and you may have trouble qualifying for loans. While negative marks do fall off your credit report over time, you may find yourself waiting for 7 years or more for scores to improve. However, there are things that you can do right now to increase those numbers. So, what should you do on your own, and when should you think about hiring a credit counselor?
When Alfredo Lunar looked into his credit score, he was shocked.
My credit was in the high 500s.
Attempts to fix it on his own fell short.
I tried to send some letters and do a little bit of research, but it seemed like it wouldn't work.
In many cases, people looking to dispute negative marks will download a template letter and then send those to the reporting agencies. Credit counselor Robert Pfister says the problem with that?
They know exactly where he got it from, and they usually kick it out.
So how do you boost your score? Well, the first step is to order a copy of your reports. Look them over. Is your name and address correct? How about your phone number? Is that current?
Some people have 50 different phone numbers over the years. It actually dings you.
Pfister says your score may be affected between 10 and 20 points just there, so make sure all contact information is up to date. Next, how old are those negative reports?
I noticed that there was a medical bills from way back about 10 years ago.
Those older marks lowered Manny Escalon's score into the 600s, but after getting those removed with Pfister's help, he is now in the 700s.
So what's the deal with negative marks on your credit report? Well, hard inquiries like mortgage or new car applications should disappear within 2 years. Late credit card payments, foreclosures, collections, tax liens, Chapter 13 bankruptcies, those should only remain for 7 years. If you filed for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, that can remain for up to 10 years.
If any of these are on your report after the time frame allowed, contact the agencies to have them removed. Now, if you have a collections ding on your report,
Making a payment to the collection and make sure it gets removed.
try negotiating with the debt collector. Offer to pay the balance in exchange for them removing the collections off your credit report. Now, in some cases, negative marks may not be accurate.
And a lot of times, especially collection agency, they don't put anything correct on the credit report.
Anything from incorrect account numbers or a wrong balance, your situation may be more complex. In those cases, you may benefit from a credit counselor. As for Lunar, within 6 months of getting Pfister's help, his score improved.
Now it's in the 700s.
So the most